Good morning, students. In previous video, I have compared up to question number 8. Okay. Now question number 9. F maps R to R, G maps R to R. F of x is given x plus 1, G of x is equal to x minus 1. Then we have to show that G circle F is equal to F circle G is equal to IR. So here I means there is an identity function. What is the identity function? Means that f of x is equal to x, f of x is equal to x, where x belongs to that set. So then that is called as identity function. F of x is equal to x. You are able to show. Now here is the composite function. These are the composite function. There are the two composite functions are there. One is the G circle F. G circle F means F. So composite of F and G. Composite of F and G. And F circle G means composite of G and F. This notation I have explained in a previous class. It is clear? Yeah. Now we have to find out G circle F is equal to F circle G is equal to find out करने के बाद ये वैल्यू किसको बराबर शो करना पड़ेगा? That is I. It's an identity function. Clear? This notation find out करने के बाद हमको आंसर आना से x. कितना आना से x. ठीक? So then that is said to be identity function. First we will find G circle F. G circle F notation. G of f of x is equal to G of f of x. Clear? And f of x value is given of x is equal to x plus 1. Now G of in place of f of x plus 1 I can write. Now find out G of x plus 1. G of x plus 1 in the sense G of x plus 1 in the sense of see the function g of x. G of x is given x minus 1. Okay, g of x is equal to x minus 1. ठीक, अब अगर x होगा तो यहाँ पे x है, लेकिन हमको क्या चाहिए? g of x plus 1. G of x plus 1 means in function g of x where x is there you have to replace x plus 1. Take now g of x plus 1 is equal to function g of x is x minus 1. अब x is equal to x plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancel. That is equal to x. Clear? G of x plus 1 is equal to. That means that this is equal to this circle. Therefore g circle f is equal to x. This circle f is equal to x plus y. This is the identity function. किस पे real numbers there करता है. And second one you can find the f circle g. F circle g of x is equal to we can write here f of g of x. F of g of x. So g of x value x minus 1. Now f of x minus 1 we can write f of x minus 1. Take f of x minus 1 means here function f of x में कहाँ x होगा उसी जगह में क्या रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा x minus 1. Therefore f of x minus 1 is equal to f of x minus 1 is equal to function f is x plus 1. So that means that a value रिप्लेस करना है function f of x में कहाँ x होगा, ठीक है? So ये तो x है, x इस में क्या रिप्लेस करें x minus 1. अब x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to x. We got here f circle g is equal to x and g circle f is equal to x. This is what that f circle g is equal to x. That is equal to that only I want to show that it is clear. That is question number 9. Okay? Question number 9 we are to next question you can write. Where is this number 9? Next question number 10 we can complete. 11th and 12th questions are similar questions. One question I will be giving, that is question number 12. Question number 12 taken it. F maps R to R. F maps R to R. F of x is equal to f of x is equal to 5 minus x power 5 whole power 1 upon 5. Find f circle f. Find f circle f. So here we have to find f circle f. F circle f same function. Okay, same function में हम composite function of function. ठीक है? तो first function also f and second function also f. F circle f is equal to we can add f circle f of x is equal to f of x. ठीक? And इसी जगह हम replace कर सकते हैं f of x value already there है. So now f of a value 5 minus x for 5 whole for all from 5. Take Now, what is the meaning of this notation? What is the meaning of this notation? Means that function f of x में फंक्शन f of x में कहाँ x होगा उसी जगह में a वैल्यू रिप्लेस करेंगे, ठीक। अब रिप्लेस करें so फंक्शन f of x देख लेना, this is फंक्शन f of x 5 minus x power 5 whole power 5, ठीक। अब रिप्लेस करें तो 5 minus x यहाँ पर ये फोर वैल्यू रिप्लेस करना, फोर वैल्यू रिप्लेस कर तो 5 माइनस एक्स फोर 5 होल पावर 1/5, ठीक, x वैल्यू। लेकिन x की पावर 5, हाँ, x की पावर 5 इज देयर एंड होल पावर 1/5। नाउ एक्सपेंड करें तो 5 get cancel, then 5 minus 5 plus x4 5 होल पावर 1/5, ठीक। अब प्लस 5 माइनस 5 गेट कैंसिल, अब बचेगा x4 5, हाँ, then x4 5 होल पावर 5 is equal to x. This is the answer. This is the f circle f. Clear? F circle f. Question number that is 12. Question number 12. Next again, question number 13 again. Question number 13. Question number 13 is given f of x is equal to mod x and g of x is equal to step x. G of x is equal to step x. For all x belongs to R. Question number 5, g circle f of minus 5/3. And second question, f circle g of minus 5/3. Okay, this both questions you have to find out. Now let's see. First question क्या find out करना है? G circle f में से connect g of f of minus 5/3. Clear? हमने फॉर्मूला दिया था g circle f of x is equal to g of f of x. लेकिन x की जगह what is there? minus 5/3 there. Therefore you can g of f of minus 5/3. लेकिन what is the f of x है? f of x is equal to mod x, ठीक। लेकिन हमको क्या चाहिए? x की जगह कितना चाहिए? minus 5/3. f of minus 5/3. f of minus 5/3 is equal to, अब रिप्लेस करें तो mod minus 5/3, that is plus 5/3, ठीक। एंड दैट मींस दैट a वैल्यू पूरा वैल्यू इसी जगह में आप कितना रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं? 5/3, ठीक। g of f of minus 5/3. f of minus 5/3 है तो plus 5/3. दैट मींस ये पूरा वैल्यू को पता है आप लिख सकते हैं g of इसी जगह में 5/3, ठीक है। अब g of 5/3 g of x is what? g of x is equal to step x. g of x is equal to step x means that and g of 5/3 is step of 5/3. Step of 5/3. 5/3 वैल्यू कितना है? So that is the 1.6 approximately 1.6. अब देखिए step of 1.6 वैल्यू होगा 1. Step of 1.6 वैल्यू होगा 1. Other is 2.62, 3.63. That's clear? So that is the g circle f of minus 5/3 and f circle g of minus 5/3. f of current g of minus 5/3. First we are finding g of minus 5/3. g of x is equal to step of minus 5/3 means that minus approximately minus 1.6. Okay, not exactly 1.6. It will be coming 1.6 something will come. Simply I am ready minus 1.6. After dividing, just it may becoming 1.6 something. ठीक. Now divide करें तो minus 1.6. अब पॉजिटिव वैल्यू होगा, लेकिन पॉजिटिव वैल्यू से हमने क्या लिया था? 1.6 होगा तो 1 लिया था, ठीक है। एंड वी आर रेडी दैट टू सिमिलर हियर आल्सो minus 1.6 होगा तो minus 1.6 होगा तो टोटल वैल्यू हम लेना पड़ेगा, दैट इज minus 2. इसका वैल्यू होगा minus 2 इज इक्वल टू minus 2, ठीक है। और अपना स्टेप फंक्शन में पॉजिटिव वैल्यू में आप देख लेना स्टेप ऑफ 1.6 1, स्टेप ऑफ 2.6 2. सिमिलर हियर माइनस वैल्यूज में स्टेप ऑफ minus 1.6 minus 1 नहीं, minus 2. क्लियर? minus 2. Now we got this value. Now replace f of g of minus 5 with reverse minus 2. F of x is equal to what? Mod x. Mod x means that mod of minus 2 that is equal to plus 2. ठीक है? So this is 2 आएगा and the पहला वाला 1 का what is the answer? Clear? So that is question number 13th. Now you can complete the आखिरी question number 14th I am giving. Question number 14. That is f of x is equal to x plus 7 and g of x is equal to x minus 7. Then find f circle g of 7. f circle g of 7. ये भी आसान ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. हम कैसे लिख सकते हो? So we can write here f of g of 7. f of g of 7. First हम find out करेंगे inside the bracket वाले तरह से g of 7. g of 7 कहता हो तो अब g of x है. g of 7 में से रिप्लेस करेगा तो x is equal to 7 minus 7 0. ये कहता है g of 7 is equal to 0. इसी वैल्यू की जगह प्लेस 0. f of 0 में से f of x कहता है x is equal to x plus 7. तो f of 0 में से so x की जगह 0 रिप्लेस करेगा तो 0 plus 7 is equal to 7 is the answer. Clear? So that is the question number 14. So we have completed exercise 4. We have completed exercise 4. Okay. In next class I will start. That is the exercise 5.